State calls Brent Laney.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Laney. If you'll come stand in front of me, I'll swear you in, right up here. Roughly in front of the easel. That's good. Raise your right hand. You swear or affirm under the laws of the state of Utah on penalty of perjury that the testimony given in this matter today will be true and correct, so help you God. Thank you. Have a seat up there, sir. While you're coming up, I know you've testified before. Just keep in mind your verbal responses. Wait for them to finish asking the question before you respond, and only respond directly to a question that's pending or been asked of you, okay?
Yes.
Thank you, and then speak right into the mic so we can hear you.
Thank you, Judge. Good morning, Mr. Laney. Would you introduce yourself to the jury, please?
My name is Brent Laney.
Thank you. Mr. Laney, do you want us to call you Mr. Laney, Brent, or something else?
Brent will be fine.
Thanks. Brent, there was a person who testified just before you named Caitlin Laney. Do you know her?
Yes, that's my wife.
You live with her, I assume?
Yes.
Okay. And where did you two live in the summer of 2024?
Trying to remember the exact address.
We don't need the address. A city is fine, or the name of a community.
American Fork, Utah.
Okay. Was one of your neighbors in that community Tracey Grist
Yes.
and Kevin Ellis?
Yes.
Did you know them very well?
Not very well.
Okay. They were your neighbors. Did you speak to them often?
Occasionally, not very often.
Okay. And what was the situation there where your neighbors were? Is it like across the street, duplex, triplex? What was it?
It was like a townhome with kind of like 3 homes in one building, and so they were connected to the building that we were living in.
Okay. And what type of community was it?
A gated community.
Was it a pretty safe community?
In general, it seemed like it was.
Do you remember an incident in July 2024 that resulted in Caitlin calling 911?
Yes, I do.
Why did she call 911?
We heard some noises. Initially, I assumed it might have been fireworks, but it sounded kind of like gunshots also.
Okay. How many noises did you hear?
I think about 4.
Okay. These noises, to your recollection, were they back to back, or was there a delay between them? What do you recall?
I remember, I believe it was like 2 or 3 real back to back with a brief pause, and I think another noise pretty quickly after.
Okay. And what were you doing when this all happened?
We were, my kids were getting sleepy. We were just watching movies with the kids, kind of waiting for them to fall asleep.
Okay. Do you recall what movie you were watching?
Some sort of Disney movie. I don't know.
Not Die Hard with gunshots, right?
No,
Okay.
nothing like that.
So the noises were definitely not from inside the home, is that right?
Correct.
Okay. Do you recall the exact time that you heard the gunshots or the noises?
I remember I was around 10:07, something around there.
Okay. And lastly, do you recall how much time elapsed between hearing those noises and Caitlin calling 911?
I feel like only a couple minutes. It was pretty quickly after.
Thank you. Nothing further, Judge.
Cross? Thank you, Mr. Laney. You may step down.
Thank you.
Judge, can we excuse both the Laneys from their subpoena?
Any objection, Mr. Facebar? Thank you. You and your wife are free to go. Thank you.